girls. Ayy, making this cabbage with pretty girls. Ladies, 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 pretty ladies, all my ladies, single ladies.
Hey everybody, welcome to Ariella Amor. So what you're seeing is our setup for today's photo shoot, and this is all brought to you by none other than the Dollar Tree. No, I'm serious. It's brought to you by the Dollar Tree. Everything that you're seeing on the set was purchased from there. Everything from, we used a baby blanket. So that baby blanket is what you see sitting down here on top of her boppy. The Lay's, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, I like the chips almost, but yeah, those are purchased from there as well. Super cute, as you can see on her friends here. Let's see, these inflatables, so cute. The beach ball, which is, if you can see it behind me. The cup holder, so cute. Right here, her cup holder. And the parrot, as you can see inside of the back, all purchased from the dollar store as well. We actually used just a little hand pump from Target, $3 pump, but worked perfectly. And then even better, best of all, is our backdrop is actually from the dollar store as well. Now keep in mind, I love Amazon, and that's where I usually shop at, but to find it for $1, I was so surprised. And look how it came out. It came out perfectly. It looks like we're at the beach. Does it not? Let me give you a close-up. Look at that backdrop. So cute. I love it. We're at the beach, y'all. All right, stay tuned for more Ariella Amor. Okay, starting with our backdrop. Let's see how it comes out. Okay. Mine was pushed just a little bit just now. I'll start where yours is at. So you have it perfect. Good. All right, so today we're using the boppy, of course, on set. Now what we usually do is we use the boppy because she's only 2 months old, honestly. It helps hold her up so we can adjust her and things, keep her comfortable. And then we just kind of hide it in a sense, cover it up with a blanket, a towel, etc., accessorize it. So today we're actually technically using a blanket, but it looks like a little beach towel. So that's how we're going to dress our boppy. Just adjust it, have it showing for the shoot. And that's what we did on the first shoot as well. We just used a blanket. Now once that's all set, as we all know, when you go to the beach, you go with friends. So she's bringing her friends to the beach as well. Now their legs are coming a little apart. I always want to adjust everything in advance, honestly. All adjusted, and now the next thing is to adjust where and how they shall sit. They'll be on the edges here with her at the beach. Oh, mine is sliding a little. All right, I think we're good.
Hey, mommy. Hey. Bring me down.
You're like, oh no, hold on. You better come prepared for me. You better come prepared. 'Cause when I pull up, I won't be scared.